Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a EBY haul. EBY stands for Empowered by You. They sell seamless underwears and seamless bras like these. I'm actually wearing them right now. So yeah, I can't wait to share with you a little bit more information about EBY and the products that they sell. So do you want me to? Want me to? So do you want me to? Want me to? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Leslie and today I'm really super excited to be doing this EBY haul for you guys. I am a plus size woman and I wanted to share with you some of the products that were sent to me. I got a couple more patterns, things like that. I'll link in my description box the original video that I done reviewing EBY, so if you want to see more information about it, it will be linked in the description box, and I'll also tag it up here. If you see like a little explanation point right there, that video will be up there. Okay, so if you really love this video, don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button, also hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see all my plus size hauls that I do. I am a plus size woman. I do plus size fashion, and yeah, I want to try on things before you buy them. That's basically what I do. So the really cool thing about EBY is 10% of net sales go to a foundation. The foundation is called 7 Bar Foundation. So the donations actually go to microfinance loans, so women of third world countries, so they can help self-sustaining businesses in their countries. So it's there to help women. So it's a cycle. They give a loan to one woman, she starts her business, and when she earns her profit back, she returns the loan, and then that money that was sent back gets sent off to other women that can start their own business. So it's just like a beautiful cycle of women power. So the really cool thing about EBY is that they do have a membership part of their underwear line. You are delivered 3 panties every 3 months, or you're delivered 5 panties every 6 months. And the really cool thing about being a part of their membership is that you get member only pricing, and you also get the first dibs on any of the new products that are coming out. You also have the option of doing a custom box as well. You can select how often you want your panties. You can actually choose your favorite panty from the collection that's come out. And they actually deliver the panties free of charge when you're a member. So EBY actually carries sizes extra small to 4XL. And the really awesome thing is that they do offer a 100% fit guarantee. The really amazing thing about EBY's panties is that it has really great non-slip technology. So my everyday panty has been consisting of 2 brands, and this happens to be one of them. And it's really amazing because they're just so comfortable. They have like that really amazing non-slip technology. They are truly seamless, so I can wear them under basically anything. And it's really good for vaginal health because there is a cotton lining in the panty, so you don't have to worry about infections or odor or anything like that, which is amazing. So yeah, I'm really super excited to get into the new stuff that I got so that way you guys can see it. I think I got a different variation of a bralette. This one's really cute. I wear this one more than I'm probably supposed to. Don't tell anybody. And excuse the marks on my back and my shoulders. That's a different story for a different day. But it has the really cute lightning bolt in the back, and then this material is all mesh. It's very, very comfortable. I actually took the pads out because I don't usually like the pads in there, but they do come with pads usually. But yeah, this is just an example of one of their bralettes. And then these underwears, as you can see, they're so comfortable. They're high up, but they also offer like high waist thongs and stuff. So I haven't really opened this package, so let's see what they sent so we can try them on. It looks like I got all different variations of things. I got some more high waist with more pattern, some briefs, some more thongs. So yeah, let me get them on so you guys can see what they look like. So what I am going to do first is put on the new bralette that they sent me to see. This is a completely different variation. So yeah, let's see what it fits like. And then I'll also put on a new panty with it and see how it goes. So I have the bralette on and the first underwear on. So let me back up so you can see. So this is a different variation. First of all, this underwear is a high waist thong. So it is a thong in the back and it's actually really gorgeous. I wish I could show you. I can show you like the side a little bit so you can see that it is truly a thong. But look how it covers this. It's so good for big girls. I love that so much. And then this bralette, I think I like better than the other one. This one, you know, what I love about EBY's bralettes is that you ever try to put a bralette over your head and then it gets all twisted? EBY's bralettes are so stretchy that you can like go into them, like you can step into them and pull it up so that way you don't have to worry about it rolling around. But let me come closer so you guys can see. Look how comfortable this is. It has a thick band. The material is really nice. I just love it. And it comes, like, if I want, I could pull it down past my back fat, which is amazing. The only thing is that my nipple covers that are in here, the padding, they're not like in where I need them, but I could take them out, I think. Yeah, so if I want, I can take it out. But this is the most comfortable bralette I think I ever had, and it doesn't have like any underwire, but it does have support. This would be, I could wear this on its own, but this would be really cute under like t-shirts and stuff like that. I don't think I could wear like an actual shirt, like or it'd be really cute with the button up too. So yeah, I mean, there's certain shirts I couldn't wear with this, like crop tops and stuff like that have the thin strap, but any sort of other shirt, it works. I literally love it. It's so comfortable. And the underwear, again, you guys already know how I feel about the underwear. Let me show you like what the sides look like. Well, even in the panty I'm wearing, there's like this texture here, and I think that helps with it sliding down. But it's so comfortable. Oh my god, this panty that I'm holding is also a thong, so it's basically the same thing. I'm gonna put this on next so you guys can see it. But yeah, it has like that really nice texture there to make sure it doesn't go anywhere, and it's completely seamless, so you're not gonna see it under any of your clothes. Let me put them on now. Okay, so this is the second panty. They're just the straight up green. It also is the high waist thong. I just love how thick this band is in the back, man. Like, I wish I could show you, but they're so comfortable. They make me feel so cute. I'm obsessed. I love this bralette too. It's so nice. You know what would have made the bralette even better is if it had like a grip right on the shoulder, so that way it didn't move. Because I'm seeing that they're rolling a lot, but that's because I have a lot of back fat, so all of them roll. But look how pretty these are. Aren't these like the prettiest thing you've ever seen? Alright, so I have a different variation of panties here. So the next one I'm going to put on is a high brief, kind of like the ones that I started the video with, except it is a different animal print. Who doesn't love animal print? I'm not even going to lie to you guys, I don't wear thongs other than EBY thongs. Not anymore. Like, that's it for me. It's a big secret of mine. It's not a big secret. I tell everybody to get these brands, but nobody listens to me. But I only wear EBY thongs in public because they're the only comfortable ones that I feel comfortable enough walking around in. All the other thongs that I own are just for in-home activity. I hope you guys know what I mean by that. They're just, the other panties are just to look cute for the moment, and then they come off. Not for all day, every day walking around. Nope, can't do it. So these are the high brief panty. Oh my god, I'm never gonna want to take these off. Like, that's what happened last time. Like, I just can't take them off. I want to keep them on forever. They're just so comfortable. They're just so nice. Just don't know why you would wear any other panty when these are clearly the most comfortable. Like I said, I only wear 2 brands of panties now, and this is one of them. This is it. Like, you can't go wrong. And then I don't even like to wear bras anymore, so bralettes have been my thing forever. Just looking in the mirror here, I just feel so flattering and I feel so pretty. Like, I just feel like this is so nice. Like, why would I wear anything else? Like, that's the whole thing. All right, I have one more panty to show you guys. I know this video is short but sweet. It is gonna be this beautiful print panty. It's a little bit different. It has like little leaves on it. I think the ones I'm wearing now are like giraffe. I think this is like a giraffe print, but I actually like it better than the tiger because they're just different. So yeah, one more. Let me get these on. Oh, and just so you know, they have more than briefs, high waist briefs and thongs. They do have cheekies. They have like regular briefs, so you don't have to get the high waist panty. These are just the most comfortable ones for me, and these are like my everyday panties. Actually, I work from home and I just sit in these all day. I sit in these all day with a bralette. I don't even really wear clothes when I'm working. All right, this is the last panty. Don't forget to go ahead to that description box and check out their website. Absolutely obsessed. It's just so nice. This bralette is so nice. This is so nice. I just have nothing bad or negative to say about them. They're just so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, you don't want to miss out on the coupon code in my description box. I'm really super excited to have shared EBY with you guys, and I hope you guys sign up for their membership and get the underwears that are actually healthy and more comfortable for you. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace. So do you want me to